Apple. Hi, sorry, somehow the stream got cut. I'm gonna start a lesson soon, okay? Uh-oh. Hey, and I'm a bit upset because of I found out somebody has been messing with my stream. They report my stream, so for music or something like that. So it's very funny. So what happens if today my stream gets cut again? I'm not going to do this anymore. I'll see you on Monday. Okay? You try to do the review. All right, but log into SLS now. Ah, fantastic. Oh, okay, Amira, let's see who is done. Okay, let's check who is done this morning. Danish, who else? Who else is done, huh? Danish, Amira, Sam, Desiree. All right, the rest not done yet. So everyone else, the 6 of you are here. Okay, good. Shahizad, Desiree, Sam. Oh no, my stream got cut just now. Hey, do you have do you have my number on WhatsApp, the one I gave you? do me a favor. Send me a WhatsApp, and can some of you go and make a chat group going, so I can just text, wake everybody up and all that. Yeah. So make a chat. What's that? WhatsApp group chat. Who knows most of the numbers for the other students? Kang, go on. Send me on WhatsApp now. Wait, good morning. What are you doing, Elijah?
Papa?
Why is doing work? Okay, so it's alright.
Papa?
Yes. Alright. Hey, I don't have any of your no. You don't have phone number. Oh, okay. Alright. Never mind, Sam. Just text me here so I know your number. Then I can start adding. Alright. Let's take it a bit easy today, lah. Something is a bit wrong with YouTube, so never mind. Desiree, you just add me, onto what text me on WhatsApp, so I know your number. All right. Okay. So Putri, you don't have a phone with you, is it? Okay. But the most important thing is that you. Oh, who's text? Somebody's texted. Oh, Desiree just text. Okay. And Sam as well. Okay, let me make a group chat. All right. Let's see how to do a group chat. New group. Okay. Desiree, your name says Eileen. Eileen is your mother, is it? No, so many people don't have numbers. It's all right then. I won't do a group chat. You can just talk to me here. All right. Okay. Don't have so many people here. Let's start the lesson, shall we? Okay, all of you do you have your worksheets out? I have 6 students here. Do all of you have your worksheets out? Okay. All right, very good. 6 I can monitor a bit. Visha. Visha, where's your worksheet? All right. Good. Okay. All right. Okay, it's a bit small today, but let's try this. All right. Okay, can you all see? You got 147 correct. Okay, why not you all put down your answers? What is this area now? What is the area of the shaded part? Can you all do that now? Can you tell me your answers? And let's check whether it's correct. Shall we? Okay, you all have done this, right? Have you all done this as homework? I told you to do this as homework, right? Okay, so can you tell me? Can you tell me the answer, please? Okay. Okay, Putri says 31.56 square centimeters. Okay, let's see. All right, that's a rate 31.5. Okay, remember, did they ask you to round up or down? Huh? Okay, well, before we begin, I'll do a bit of reading. The figure shows two identical semicircles. Okay, so these are the semicircles and two identical quarter circles. So these are the, over here, these are the quarter circles. All right, find the area of the shaded part. Now, the first thing we want to find is, what is this? This is a rectangle, isn't it? Okay, so if this is a rectangle, how do we find the area of the rectangle? Okay, first thing I want to do is 14, the length times the breadth. Okay, so, oh, there's no space. Let's do a bit smaller. Okay, area of rectangle equals to 14 times 10.5. All right. Then let me get a calculator to calculate what is that. Okay, equals to 147. So the whole thing is 147 square centimeters, the whole rectangle. Now, how do we find the shaded area? The only way is to take away these two semicircles and these two quarter circles. Now, are they the same? Are they the same? No, they're not, right? So now, okay, so all right. So Fazlul has joined us. Now, I want to find out. Let's see. Oh, okay, I got a few different buckets. Now, I'm going to find out the area of these two semicircles first. Now, since you just joined us, Fazlul, can you tell us 7 cm? I'm looking at this, and I'm asking Fazlul. Can we see these two semicircles make one complete circle, right? We'll draw it here. Okay. So this one is this, and this one, I'm going to turn it upside down to become this. So 7 cm. Let's see, no? Oh, okay, good. 7 cm. Fazlul, is this the diameter or the radius? That's Fazlul, waiting for you. Fazlul there, right? Yes, Fazlul. 7 centimeters, if you're not paying attention, 7 centimeters. Is this the diameter or the radius for this circle? Oh, very good. So how do I find the area? I want to find the area of this circle. So area equals to, let me answer. Let me do this, okay? Pi times R times R. Sam, okay, since they say 22 over 7, can I do 22 over 7? Can you see from there? Yeah, okay. 22 over 7 times 7 times 7 looks nice. Can I do that? Sam, asking you now. Yes, Sam. No, very good. So what must I do? Can you type down what must I do if I can't use 7? Okay, so what must I do? Hey, darling, 7 times 2, you need to do times 2 or divide by 2. You want the radius shorter or longer? Because the diameter is already a long one, huh? So what must you do? Give me a chance. 7 times 2 or 7 divided by 2? Oh, very good. Okay, so radius equals to 7 divided by 2 equals to 3.5. So this is 3.5. Okay, and you need to use a calculator for this. You need to type in 22 over 7. All right, I'll do that now. Okay, this and so this recurring purple one is 38.5 square centimeters. So let me erase this. Okay, this circle is 38.5 square centimeters. Now I want to find out what is this one now. Okay, and now the question is this, I mean, what color should I use? Blue. Okay, let's find a blue marker. Now, this part over here, Visha, shall you help us on it? Visha, does this blue part, okay, I'm going to draw this here. Does this blue part make a full circle? Does this blue part make a full circle? Does it or not? Visha, your answer. Very good. So, this doesn't make a full circle. Can you see? Okay, okay. I think I move this a little bit up. Okay, this doesn't make a full circle. And 7 centimeters. Shahizad, yeah, up to you now. Do you think this is the radius or the diameter of this semicircle? It becomes like this. Let me show you. What does it become? It becomes a semicircle. All right. If I just flip sides, it just becomes like this. All right. Sorry, my drawing is a bit off here today. So 7 cm. Shahiza, is this the radius or the diameter? Shahiza, are you there? Yep. I ask again, very good. This is the radius. All right. So I want to find the radius. I want to find, how do I find the area of this? Okay, area is equals to pi times r, but this one is a bit special. Why? Because it's a semicircle, so I must divide by 2. Okay, getting a bit small, huh? Okay, this is r. Okay, let me just squeeze this in. So this is 22 over 7 times the radius. They give it to you already, so it's just 7 times 7 over 2. Okay, let me calculate that out for you. Oh, okay, very easy. I see I can cancel. See, 1. So just 22 times 7 divided by 2. In fact, I think I know the answer already, because 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 times 7 is 77. 77 square centimeters. Okay, so the blue part, 77. The purple part, 38.5. The whole thing is 147. So what must I do in the end of it? Okay, I'm just going to take, let's see whether your answers are correct. All right. Shaded goes to 147 minus, okay, I'm going to add these two up now. Okay, I'm going to use brackets to do it. You can do it like that. 38.5 plus 77. Okay, let's work that out in a calculator. Hey, it's odd, huh? Oh, okay. I will worry about it. Alright, sorry. Let me just calculate. 38.5 plus 77. Okay. Okay. Answer is 31.5. 31.5. So centimeters. Okay. One of you put 30. Fazul put 31.56. So how do you get 31.56 though? Yeah, I don't see the 6 come out from anywhere, but won't worry too much about it. Okay, as long as you all have followed these steps. First, you find this one. It's a full circle, and you find you find a semicircle like this. The radius is 7, and then you just minus away from everything. That's it. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to leave this here for 1 minute so you can just copy. Yeah, so I'm going to drink some water. Oh, sorry. Can you see? Oh. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so right. Okay, I'll just leave this here for a bit longer. Okay, I'm going to erase. I'm going to draw the next one on the board, all right? Very good, those of you who got it correct. Oh, this is not going to be easy to draw, huh? Where are all the other? Where are all your friends? Huh. Okay, let's see. Let's see who's blue. Okay. All right. Are we ready to go to question 6? Oh, hi Mark. Putri 31.56, correct? Yeah, okay, that's fine. If it's correct, then maybe something wrong with the calculation. Don't worry about it, okay? Just move on here, okay? Probably marked you correct, Putri, because your maybe your working was a little bit not accurate, but you're still within that range. Okay, so 31.5, 31.56 is fine. Okay, are we ready to move on? Everybody is okay? Wow. Okay, now these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 semicircles. Okay, and these are identical semicircles. So if you can find one, you can find all 6. Okay, now how are we? Let's see. Now, oh, sorry. Then this is the shaded. Okay, anything outside this rectangle is shaded. Now, how are we going to find this? This is actually one of the simplest problems. Okay, this what is okay, if this is first I want to tackle the triangle. If this, sorry, not triangle, I want to tackle the rectangle. If this is 4 cm and this is similar, what is this? This is also 4 cm, right? And this is 4 cm as well. So can I find the area of this rectangle? Sure. 4 times 4 plus 4 is 8. So area of rectangle equals to 4 times 8 equals to 32 square centimeters. And I'll write this out. 32 square centimeters. Okay, and that's done. Now I want to find out what is 1 semicircle. Then we times 6. Okay, so let's use, what color shall we use? Okay. Okay. Now since they put it here, 2. 2 cm is the radius already. Okay, look, imagine this. Okay, I'm going to draw it out. Let's draw here. Can we see? Okay, if this is 2 cm, This is actually the radius. Okay, so what they give you here is actually the radius already, so you can just use it straight away. How do you use it? You can put area of this semicircle, okay? So you don't mess this up. Equals to pi times r times r over 2. Okay, divide by 2 because it's semicircle. Now what is pi down here? 3.14, okay, equals to 3.14 times 2 times 2 by 2. Okay, and so happens I can cancel this 2, I can cancel it 2. 3.14 times 2 is equals to 6.28 square centimeters. So what they are saying is, let's see how. Alright, is every semicircle 6.28 square centimeters. 6.28, 6.28, 6.28, 6.28. So what do I have to do with 6.28? Just times 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so next step, sorry, I'm running out of space. 6.28 times 6. Let's find out what that is. .68 square centimeters. Okay, so that is the area of all the semicircles. We have the rectangle, we have all semicircles, but now we have to find out what is this big circle. Okay, what is the whole thing? Okay, let's see who's online. Who just joined? Come, who's the 8th person that just joined? I have Sam. Wait, let's see. Sam, Shahizad, Visha, Desiree, Fazlu. That's 5. You can see 5. Amira. Who else? Fazlu said already. Huh. Then who is 7 and 8? Who is down there? Let me see. Shahizad said already, right? Nazri. Hello, Nazri. I didn't see you here yesterday. Very good. Okay. Nazari. Are you going to help us for the last one? Okay. Watch very carefully, Nazri. I want to find the area of this whole circle. 12 cm. What is 12 cm? Is 12 cm the diameter or the radius? Nazri, is 12 cm the diameter or the radius of this circle? It's on you now. Very good. So, can I use the diameter? Can I do this? If I find the area of whole circle, can I do area of circle equals to pi times r times r. So can I do 3.14 times 12 times 12? Can I do this? Can I do this or not? Can I do this? Let's see. Visha, can I do 3.14 times 12 times 12? Very good. So Visha, what should I do if I can't do 12 times 12? So what must I do to get the radius? Very good. Divide by 2. So first part I need to do 12 divided radius equals to 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Okay, 6 cm. The radius is 6 cm. So from here to here, what does it say? 6 cm. Radius 6 times 6. Okay, let me calculate out for you. 3.4 times 6 times 6 equals to 11304. Okay, 113.04. And now we have found everything we need to find the shaded area. Okay, so whole circle 113.04. Rectangle 32, and the 6 semicircles is 37.68. So let's see, I got no more space. Let's do here, okay? My final working is shaded equals to 13.04. Alright, 113.04 minus, I'm going to add these two up, okay? 32 plus 37.68. 32 plus. Now, when I do this, I want to ask, who does not understand why I did it this way? Who doesn't understand? How come Mr. Tan, you got put bracket and a plus here? Anybody don't understand? Can you please tell me now? Okay, don't understand. All right, come. You can also do it this way, no problem. If you don't understand why is it I use bracket, it's because what's the first step? The first step is to add the unshaded, right? Which is 32, which is and 37.6, or this 37.6. The first part is to add, right? So I want to get 32 plus 37.6. I want to plus this whole unshaded part all together. All right, and this is the working. I add these two together. Then after how do we do this? Okay, I won't tell you to do the other way, all right? But I'll say this. 32 plus 37.68. Wait, sorry. Equals to 113.04. You see, when you do brackets, you must solve it first, right? Minus, and like this is 32 plus 6 plus 37.68. This is 69.68. And because I'm just shortening down to one step. I add these two up. After I take this and minus these two. Okay. So 113 sorry. 0.04 minus 69.68 equals to 43.36. Now, if you still don't understand, what I can suggest is the other way is this. You take the whole thing, 113.04, 113.04 minus 32. Can see? Okay, just barely. Minus, then minus again, 37.68. Okay, if you're more comfortable, you can do this. It will be the same answer, 43.36. Okay, you also can do that. Okay, I'm going to leave this here for 1 minute. Does anybody have any questions? Please tell me on the chat. Okay, so I hope you all can understand. If you're not sure how to use a bracket, don't worry. Just take this, minus this, minus this. Okay, it's the same. Oh. Okay, let me check. While you're here, anybody didn't answer the poll? Oh, got locked up. Okay, let's see. Oi. Let's see. Who is not awake yet? Or who? Fandi. Delilah. Who is this fellow? Marcel. You all didn't wake up. No worries. Okay. Lots of people didn't do yet. Very unfortunate. Okay, let's do one last question, okay? Question 7. Anything circular I can draw with. Okay, not too bad this time. Where's the center? Alright, not too bad. Okay, this is 90 degrees, and this is 70 centimeters. Okay, what does the question read? I need the area and the perimeter. Wow, the shaded part. Now, class, also here, I don't want you to be scared of circle questions. Okay, because the thing is, circle questions, they are actually quite easy. Now, I will explain how easy this is. All right, I'll also leave your answer in terms of time. Now, take a look at this. What I'm going to do is, I want you to see this curve here. This shows a circle and two identical quarter circles. Can you see? This quarter circle, this is another quarter circle. It sounds a bit scary, right? But I want to show you one thing. If this is 70 cm and this is identical, what is the radius? Okay, let's be fast here. Okay, I'm running a bit out of time. So radius equals to 70 divided by 2 is 35. It is 35 centimeters. 35 centimeters. Got it? Now, if this is 35 centimeters, this is 35 centimeters for this quarter circle, do you realize that this is also the radius for this? 35 centimeters. Can you see that? Now, if this is 35 centimeters, then isn't this quarter circle the same as this quarter circle? Can you see? I'll show you the shape, okay? Use red. This quarter circle Isn't it the same as this quarter circle? And isn't this quarter circle the same as this quarter circle? So what are we actually finding? We're actually finding this thing is the same as all this. These are all identical quarter circle. But first, how are we going to find the radius? Sorry, how are we going to find the, we find the easy one. Let's find perimeter, okay? Perimeter of, oh, I drawn all the way. Okay, this and this and this. Do you realize that this thing is the same as this thing? Okay, in primary 4, you learn symmetrical figures, right? It's symmetry. So all you have to do is find this whole thing. And that is just the circumference equals to pi times d. And the pi is just say leave it there, so we leave it there. How's the diameter? 70 cm equals to 70 pi. Okay, that's it. We want to bracket 70 pi centimeters. So and that is the perimeter. 70 pi cm. Okay, 70 pi cm. That's it. Morning, Delilah. How come you're so late, huh? Lesson is going to be over already. Okay, for those who came a bit later, what happens is after I'm done with this live stream, you can go back and you can go back to the you can go onto the video because you'll be recording YouTube, right? You can go to a video and just check your work. Okay, we went through 5, 6, and 7 today, and then this will be it for the worksheet. I'm not going to go through the others. Okay, because I have to give you other homework already. Okay, never mind. I'll talk to you, Delilah, later. Now, area is a bit more complicated. So the perimeter, very easy because it's just a full circle. Okay, this curve is actually the same as this curve. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Full circle. Easy? Okay, now how do we find the radius? Now, radius is a bit more complicated. And why do I say that? Because you have to take this I. Can you see like it's an I? You have to take this I thing out. And how do you find the I? Anyone? Anyone wants to try before I carry on? How do I find the I? This eye. Just imagine this to be like a cat's eye. Like that. No one? Okay, let me solve this for you. Okay, look, this part here, I'm going to shade it in black. Okay, I want to focus on this part here. Can you see that how to find this shaded area? This one, just the black one, not the top. Is you take the whole rectangle and you have 70 cm and you know that the radius, this is 35 cm, right? So this is 35 cm as well. So you have 70 cm times 35 cm, you minus 2 quarter circles. All right, so that's how you find this part. I'm going to do it fast for you. Let's find the area of this rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to 70 times 35. 70 times 35. Is that equals to? Two, 450 square centimeters. And I want you to take away these 2 quarter circles. Okay, let's do a bit of a shortcut. 2 quarter circles is 1 semicircle, right? So I'm just going to find the area of these two, if of these 2 quarter circles. How? So area of, now it makes a semicircle. I'll just draw like that, okay? Area of these two equals to pi times, what's the radius? 35. Okay, 35 times 35. I need to divide that by 2 because it makes one semicircle. Okay, equals to, oh, they told me leave it in pi, so I'm going to leave it in pi, right? 35 times 35 by 2. Okay, so 35 times 35, you can see 35 times 35 is 1225. 1225 divided by 2 is 612.5 pi. Okay, I'm going to leave pi alone. All right, so how to find this area? This shaded area is 2450 minus 612.5 pi. Okay, 612.5 pi. But that's not the end. This thing here is 612, is like that. But what do you need to do? Don't forget, you need to add this shaded here area here as well. Okay, I'm going to do it in blue. How to find this area? It's a semicircle. So area of this semicircle equals to pi times, see, 35 times 35 over 2. Hey, isn't it the same? So that's it. Okay, 612.5 pi. So now the magic comes down. First, you minus 612.5 pi, you need to add this. Okay, so 2450. Let me erase a few things, alright. 2450 minus 612.5 pi. You need to add 612.5 pi. Now let me ask you one thing. Okay, looks a bit funny this thing, but if I take minus something and add something, this becomes 0. It's just like saying, okay, let's use x, all right? 5 minus 3x plus 3x. Minus 3x plus 3x equals to just 5. This one, 0. Okay, 5 plus 0. Alright, so if I minus and plus, this becomes 2450. And that's the answer for the area. Okay, this one is the most difficult one that you have seen, 2450 square centimeters. Okay, I'm going to leave this here for a bit. Okay, sorry, this looks a bit confusing. I'm not used to using such a small board, but it's what I have. So let's make do. Maybe tomorrow will be better. I think I should mount. I should put some hooks on the wall. Yeah, I should put some hooks on the wall and hope it stays. Then I can stream like in class like that. I can stand up and do this. It's a bit tiring for me. Okay, so homework is workbook. Chapter 5 review, page 153. Okay? Not just one page 153, 153 to. Okay, sorry. Page 153 to 160. Okay. No, not one page. All right. Now, if you have finished for some reason, you can go and try the worksheet from Cantonment Primary School. You know the one with the percentage. The percentage worksheet at the back is the circles. You can do that as well, just to in case you got more time. Because tomorrow I'm not doing any streaming. Tomorrow is public holiday, so I'm not going to do any streaming. And you have the weekend. So if you have, you can do the percentage, the circles worksheet as well. All right. Yes, and the whole thing you got quite long to do it. Okay. And last thing, uh, let's try to remember. Let's try to remember. Radius is half. Okay. If they give you the whole thing, please find radius. You need radius for area. And you need diameter for circumference. Okay, so you need to identify where is the area, where is the circumference, the radius and circumference. Okay. Can? All right. Mr. Tai is going to sign out. All right. Take care and okay. I can see this a bit more. Okay, so Mr. Tan is going to sign out. You all stay safe. Have you all been going out to play? Wait. Have you all been going out to play? The thing is, yesterday I was at my house, and like I saw a parent. She said, "Oh, I let my two boys go and play because same one, right? Stays same family." So the policemen actually came and told them to go home. They didn't take down their names or anything, but the police have done this. They actually told them to go home. So please stay at home if you don't want to get into trouble. Okay, yeah, I know it's a bit hard, huh? Like you can't. Maybe you can ask your parents. I think I do see a lot of people jogging. You know, maybe if you want to start jogging. Oh yeah, but you all just finished your 1.6 kilometer, right? I go to my new cousin house to paint the house. You can't do that, Shaiza. You can't go to your new cousin's house to paint their house. There's a law saying that you can't go into other people's house. And your cousin is not like like baby or something like that, right? Yeah, don't. I'm not sure. I don't think you should do Shaiza. I don't think you could get into a lot of trouble. They are putting out very heavy fines, what $10,000. I mean, who has $10,000 on jail term? These things have to stop lah. Oh, just stay safe, yeah. It's true. It's true. Go. You have the internet. Go look up new laws for what's this for this COVID thing lah. Okay, it's a circuit breaker laws. Yeah, you can do that. Oh, so stay safe, everyone. Take care. Now, if you need to look at this again, you can. All right. Bye bye.